Hi, my name is Aliza from Seams So Easy, www.seamsoeasy.com. I've been sewing for 15 years and today I'm going to show you some techniques. I'm going to show you how to thread your machine. So, take your spool of thread, put it on there. Each machine will have its own, but it will have a little picture at the top here. The steps are generally quite universal. So down, up. Turn your flywheel to bring this arm up. Thread your thread through that, down through the machine. There is a thread guide at the bottom here, and you need to make sure that you thread your thread through that, otherwise it doesn't get fed straight into the machine. There you go. Now, this is your bobbin thread. Once you've taken it off your bobbin winder, you need to put it into the bobbin case, which is that. If you notice, you'll have a little cut up here in the outer lip. So you take your thread through that and pull it out as far as it'll go. Holding the top thread in your hand, turn your flywheel down until you hook that thread and bring it up top. Once you've done that, take your two tails, put them behind, put your bobbin case on, and now you're ready to sew.